Am I making sounds? Can people hear me? Do I exist on the internet? Is my... Feel free to refute my existence. That would be lovely. My event is starting. Let's stop streaming. Your event is starting. Come on, baby. I wonder if it's gonna pause until I wonder if it's going to pause until it hits that 20-minute mark, which would kind of suck. Who? Are we live? I think we're live. It says you're live. That would seem to indicate that we're live. Yes, we are live. Ha 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 ha. Ah, wonderful. Okay. We don't need that page. We need this page. I'm assuming, let's make sure this is muted. That's muted. Cool. Back in action. Alright. No. No. Windows. Windows. Bad. Alright. Oh, man. Can we, like... Oh, here we go. Here's just like a straight up, like, condensed comment view. Awesome. Sweet. That's what we want. Okay. There we go. We'll see how that works. We'll experiment. Sorry for the hiccup. Did I update the Minecraft thread? Did I? Am I a silly goose? Alright, stream starting. Stream went down. Now it's back up. It's back up. Here. Okay. We gotta update everyone. Bam. Alright. Now we gotta update the OP. Let's update the OP. Man, this is unfortunate. I'm sorry. Next time I pause, I should just cut the mic and then just play music and stuff. Like the hey yeah song. That'd be great. We have a YouTube video. Alright. We gotta update stuff and the stuff so that people can be stuffed. Alright, we're gonna slash this out. Stream was stopped. Here's the new stream. And I think it'll just automatically link it now. That was all slashed out. That's slashed out. Stream was stopped. Here's the new stream. Stream was stopped. Okay. We gotta close this because that's just freaky. What are we gonna keep open? We're gonna close. Management. Page management. Alright. We're here. We're live. So as it turns out, the latest version of Minecraft is 1.72. There was a comment in the last video that reflected that, and so that would be correct, it would seem. I've consulted my agents, and my agents have informed me that the latest is for 1.72, and so that's what we're going to have to live with. You can download the release candidate. Yeah. Advertising. Here, let's play music. That is my jam. Alright. So, it's the most distracting song on the planet, I swear. But it's great. I can't avoid it. It's not like I'm gonna like not have that song. Updating to MCP. We've downloaded it and now we have it here. Ugh, Windows. Stop windowing. Alright. We don't want this anymore. We can just down all this MCP crap. For real. So how are we gonna structure this? I'm gonna go into my documents and all my personal information and place this where it needs to go. Programming. Here in documents. We actually need to go into users. Crap. Fleep. Programming. Java. Original. New folder. MCP. We gotta get this right. It's gonna be MCP 903. 903. And we're gonna take this. No, that was already. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. So, MCP. This is only the beginning phase. So basically we're going to extract everything from MCP, and that's going to allow us to set up our project with Eclipse so we can actually start coding and changing stuff. And that should be fantastic. How's the stream? Is everything hunky-dory? Let's be sure. Let's be extra sure. How are we streaming? Okay. Yeah, it's a great song, isn't it? It's great. It's a classic. One of the greatest songs of all time. You should go listen to the... This is actually a parody of a song that is completely ridiculous. Like, it's feminist, but it's feminist in a bad way. It's like... Just go listen to it. What's it called? Like, don't listen to Closer by 9 Inch Nails. Don't listen to that song. It's bad. I can't recall what the song is. You can look. You can figure it out for yourself. Alright, so we have our change source. My question now would be, is there a way to import our change source into MCP? I don't think there is. No. Alright, so I believe the first step is to, like, import stuff into jars. Let's go through the README. Docs. Let's see. What you got for me? Install Java SDK. I totally have that. Add this stuff. This should all be good to go. I'm going to be using a more recent version of Minecraft. I'm actually using JDK 1.8. So, yeah. Should be good. 7.2 jar. So I guess I need 1.7.2. Let's double check that. Internet. MCP with 1.7.9 jar. Not MC Patcher. Oh, this is killing me inside. Minecraft coder pack. Mod coder pack. No, it's not mod coder pack. Alright, let's try to get a 1.7.2 jar. Minecraft. What do you got for me, Internet? Minecraft jars. Wow. It's just like on the forums. Like, I thought this was like straight up illegal. That's pretty hysterical. Okay, cool. 1.7.2. Oh my god, this website is a godsend. I need to like put this on the main thread. Holy crap. Okay. Give me. I want all of them. 1.7.2 get JSON? What is JSON? Now let's download it. Keep. We trust strangers on the internet. That's how this program works. Oh, we just opened it. Crazy. I don't think we need that. Alright, we're collecting jars. Heartless jars. Gotta love that. Alright. Alright, what's the next step? We have our jars. I believe we put them into the folder. So if you want to learn how to use MCP, now's a great time to figure it out. You could even be doing this alongside with me, on your own machine, if you really wanted to. I'm just putting it out there. problems. Don't care. So copy both into the jars folder. Copy the server into the jars folder. Read these folders assets for you. I don't need to copy the folders bin resources. Does not work that way anymore. Okay. So strategy. Cut. This song. This song. Okay. That's not where we want to look. Where do we want to look? Actually, where we just were. Okay. I can interface. The interface is strong in this one. Oh, God. You know how bad this is trying to live stream file navigation. Oh, God. Someone kill me. Okay. MCP 903. 7Z. Extract. Yeah. Bam. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Okay. This is where we want to be. Jars. Let's place this stuff in here. We rename this. Windows. There we go, Windows. Minecraft. Rename. Minecraft server. Okay. We have the server, we have the non-server. Either copy the assets, libraries, and versions. So I think we gotta take this guy and stick him in our actual Minecraft directory. So we use our well-defined shortcut beforehand to go into assets. No. Resources. No. This is freaking. Oh God, this is so different. How? This doesn't make sense. Did they like change everything ever? Yeah, it's gonna be more of a challenge than I thought. They like reconfigured the whole directory. Okay, Ben, this is where we are. Awesome. Back dot 1.7.9. This song. And paste. That is our new Minecraft jar, and we're gonna run that. Oh dear, it was close. Whew. It's not that. That was dangerous, y'all. Minecraft. Alright, I'm not much of a dancer. I will dance for your amusement though. So we play 1.7.9. Huh? I'm like totally lost here. Cleaning up launcher dot. Edit profile. Good. Oh. Hello. Hey. Yes. Dude. They did improve the launcher. I was fixing to have a panic attack. Man. Here, this will be educational for everyone. How are we stream? Stream, how are you? Stream, where are you? Stream! Stream! Here we go. You appear to be doing fine. All is well. Okay. So we have 1.7.2, we ran it, and so it's going to update everything in here. So now that Ben is actually, it's not Ben that we want, it's do assets, copy the folders, or let the decompile shift do it for you. Okay, let's just let decompile. So assets, libraries, and versions. Let's do it. Why not? Copy. into our other folder. Not that folder, this folder. Whew, it's a good file. Okay. Decompilation. We run decompile.bat. Oh my god, progress. You guys, we've made it. Let's check the Eclipse docs to make sure we're set up for that. Okay. Open Eclipse, select the Eclipse folder. Okay, that's nothing. We're fine. Yo, dog. Okay. So we set up Eclipse after doing everything for MCP. For those just tuning in, we're going to 1.7.2, not 1.7.9, because apparently 0.2 is the latest that anyone actually supports. So that is how things are going to work. We've copied stuff. No need to copy bin. Okay, start and decompile. MCP 903. Remember truth. Yeah, we just run the .bat. Awesome. I try real hard to make this entertaining. Real hard. So hopefully nothing breaks at this point. It's downloading 64-bit stuff, surprisingly. I think on my old machine it wouldn't do anything 64-bit. Interesting. Alright. Hey. What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Here we go. Learn how to hide your feelings. We're not advertising on this, so clearly we can use it. It's not there. Here, let's find the original. What is it? What's going on? Original. High quality 4 non-blondes. This one's advertising, actually. Okay, let's not show it. That would be bad. We don't show paid things. That would probably be illegal. It's okay, though. Decompilation is happening, and it's happening fast. How are we? I'm gonna check streamy things. Whoa! I love the in-depth, like, as it goes. Like, I don't know. I can't do it with my hands. What it's doing is too complicated to be represented with hands. Yeah, stuff looks good. Okay. Oh, let's play Minecraft, y'all. Totally. Let's, screw this stuff. We're gonna play Minecraft-a-roo. I would assume this doesn't conflict with what we're doing there, but that might be an erroneous assumption. That would be a more recent world, so let's do survival, hardcore survival. Do we wanna try hardcore? No, we don't. We want to do survival. Surviving around. Greg. Create new world. Alright. We are entering a new domain. It's only appropriate that we play more Minecraft. It is only appropriate. Don't you dare judge me. Don't you dare. Here's how we're gonna do this. Dum dum da. Dum di da. It is nice that Minecraft just kind of like arbitrarily resizes. Very nice. We are in a new world that is very slowly loading. So this time we're not going to go on a homicidal rampage, and instead we are going to acquire some wood directly. Gameplay, y'all. We're going to experience all that Minecraft has to offer. Or starve. Clearly we don't need to be awake at night, because that just utterly destroys the gameplay experience. Who refute? No refuting shall you. Ye shall not refute. Minecraft is the only alternative. There shall be no alternative. I mean, we could stream Hearthstone. I don't know. Last time I did that, I put on the video that it was dual Millhouse Mana Storms in the deck, which it was, but they never got played. And so, we're ready. But I never actually played it. Like, I never got both, and so I got a whole bunch of downvotes because I guess it was misleading, and I felt really bad about that, and so I've taken the video down. But now I'm scarred, and I don't want to play Hearthstone. Very scarred. Alright, instructions. We have decompile. Modify the source code. Okay, we're ready. This is it. Wow. Alright, cool. Let's set up Eclipse. So, open Eclipse, select the Eclipse folder, and MCP as workspace, create a mod. Okay. Will do. Eclipse! Oh, if you guys want to see stuff, while I'm here. Oh dear, not full screen. Ooh, hold on. I don't trust this. I was gonna run my new project. We don't want to do that though. Not full screen anyways. Here. Dum. Ignore the pretty colors, or gaze intently upon the pretty colors that my code consists of. Here we go. Running. Yeah, so, stuff. Spinning around in the air. Voxels. This is what I've been working on. Whee! I'm trying to promote this project. It is what I am doing now that I am not doing hack/mine in the long term. I mean, I will be still supporting it with open source, and I will still be doing, I might do occasional updates and come back to it. I mean, it's hard to say. But this is currently what I'm pushing for, and it's very important to me that I get this one promoted. This project, Nebulous Racks, promoted, because this is how I intend to, you know, this would be more beneficial to my career and my resume and everything, so I'll just leave it at that. So spinning blocks in the air, ground. If you haven't seen the other video, go check it out. But that's what currently is available in this. Yeah. Was that visually entertaining? Alright. Beautiful blocks. We now have Eclipse open. Let us change workspace. Supposedly, this should just work. Browse to Java. Oh dear. MCP 903. Eclipse. Done. I don't know. You use the word philosophy, so I have to agree. Because you quoted philosophy. Clearly, philosophy cannot be wrong ever. Therefore, it is correct. I mean, the more big words that I use in a sentence, the more right I usually am. So we've got errors. I'm very alarmed. So this is Minecraft, guys. Minecraft is open. Here, let's use the power of Windows. Screw you and your knowledge of philosophy. I don't need it. Parameterize type. Must implement type.get type name. So the problem here there are potentially many problems. I'm thinking that it's a build configuration issue, so let's go work with that. Properties. 1.6. Well, I can only assume that they've configured this to be correct. When using 1.6, make sure you have the compatible GRE installed and activated. Currently 1.8. Or change the GRE. Okay. Yeah, sure. You got it, code. Here. Build path. Oh, in that case, I agree with philosophy. For archive viewers, Primal Bond says philosophy often can be wrong. That's the whole point. And in order to refute him, I say it's always right. It cannot be refuted. So it's saying it's using freaking GRE 1.6. I don't understand. Let's see. It's got to be like an actual configuration issue. So let's refresh and just hope. Fingers crossed. No, nothing changed. Okay. Achievement. Maybe this will be a more useful error. What do you got for me, achievement? Comparator. Oh yeah, this is totally... Alright. Crap. So it's trying to compile it with like the totally wrong build settings, which literally doesn't make sense. We're in 1.6. All the stuffs should be configured with 1.6. I want to click configure workspace settings, but clearly this thing hates me. And activated install cherries. Oh. 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 Alright guys, we're going to install JDK 8. This will be fun. We're going to make a new interface so I can interface more. JDK 8. No, 6. 6. Potentially 6 or 7. What do we... I think... before I used JDK 7 with MCP, but I don't know. We probably need both. Let's just go ahead and download everything. Dum 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 dum. I accept all agreements. So this is JDK 6. Yes, we're looking at 6. Windows 64-bit. C. These things are going to take up so much space on disk. Should be downloading. ICANN has file operations. Alright. Alright, I said. Alright, I said. Hopefully we can start getting into like the meat of coding pretty soon. This should only be Gah! Are you joking? Is it really going to make me like sign on or something to like download this stuff? Surely not. Surely not. Java SE development kit. We want Windows 64-bit. I click. Accept. So given the nature of the stream, it would probably be wise, you know, consider it like hanging out. You can be doing other things as we chillax with one another. The reason I say this is because coding is going to be inherently, I can talk and talk and talk, but it's not going to be like a straight up, a really straight up like train of thought. I'm just going to be coding and stuff. And so, you know, be playing a game or something in your time too, you know. A lot of this is so I can be motivated to actually do this, because this is going to be pretty crazy, a pretty crazy amount of work. I'm expecting this to take both this weekend and the next weekend. So, So it wants me to sign on. But do I want to sign on? No, I really don't. Ideally, I can just download whatever the heck I need. Runtime development kit, runtime environment. Okay. I don't... It makes you... God. This is the worst. I can't click on buttons. I accepted. Strange. Download. And I think it's going to take me... Alright, so I think I actually have an account with Oracle already for doing some database stuff for work. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, man. Jesus, Oracle. This is the worst. Here, let's click it again. Here we go. Clicking helps. I'm taking wild guess at what my account would be. Nope. Brazil? We're gonna get this, you guys. Alright. I know I've got a freaking Oracle account. I knows it. Hey! My account is locked. Oh, man. Really? That's fascinating. Oracle account locked. I think we're getting into a wrong rabbit hole. Ugh, dear. Alright, JDK 6. See, we're looking at 7 and 8 right there. Previous releases. Alright. Oh my gosh. Look. Just help me out, Oracle. Help me out, bro. Alright, I think we've made progress. I don't think this is the latest, but okay. Buttons. So help me if it makes me like log into something. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Alright. Download has occurred. We've got 4 minutes. Minecraft. And window adjusted. Back to game. Alright. The immersion has not been broken since our last venture into the world of Minecraft. We have wood. We have got a lot of wood. The wood is strong in this one. Yeah, hold on. I literally cannot distinguish these blocks from actual planks and actual, like, logs. This is really dumb. It's truly dumb. Ugh. How's the microphone quality, y'all? Can you hear me? Should I move it closer to my face? closer to my face sounds like this. This is the improved version of my voice, given closeness to my face. Just want to make sure we're in this for the long haul, so everything has to be perfect. Perfect. Okay, sticks. Not too many sticks this time. And we shall make a wooden pickaxe. Oh my god, these cows need to die immediately. Let us take the crafting table with us. It is a portable table. Fits right in my pocket. Ow. So we gotta mine stuff. Let's mine. We gotta get some stone. Make a stone pickaxe, because it's better than our terrible wooden pickaxe. The most pointless phase of progression ever. Stone, stone, stone. Alright, second pickaxe. We're golden. Lovely. It's pretty efficient. Did they speed up stone harvesting since the last version that I played? Ah, we found a cave. Already. That was fast. We need coal. I think that's the second thing on the agenda. Coal. Coal. Oh god. Oh god. Awesome. Man, please have another. Okay, this is a terrible idea. Back to safety. Alright. We need to recoup. We potentially need a wooden sword. I believe that is the correct course of action. Assuming that skeleton doesn't come out and follow us. Gimme! Alright. We are prepared to defend. We're gonna be Ultra MLG Pro. Ugh. What? Did I just one-shot it? Wow. We've got creepers. Oh god. Okay, I think they've been rebalanced. I should be able to kite them. I like to think that I used to be able to kite them. In all likelihood, I actually probably just suck. There's a very strong possibility. Ugh! We're good. We got creeper powder. We ground the creeper into powder with our slashes. I hate these guys. I'm so like cynical when I look at mobs now. Like, I'm just looking at them as stuff to harvest, and I don't fear them at all. I feel no fear when I see a mob ever since creating Hackmine. Now let's kill the bat. I'm assuming it's bad. We should kill it. Oh dear. Oh, okay. Retreat! Oh. It's fine. Everything is fine. Where were we? I believe we went off in the very first direction that we looked into. This is why mods are helpful. Just putting it out there. How's our download? We need to be paying attention to that. That is not where downloads occur. Do we have the JDK? Yes, we do. Hooray! Okay. It's going to install things. We should probably close out Eclipse. And anything else Java, I'm sorry to say Minecraft, but we can save and quit, no big deal. Hopefully we didn't lose everything ever, but it's okay. Even if we did, we can continue. We can continue. Are you joking? I don't want like do you want to install everything ever? No. Install. Why is hold on. Is this not what I thought it was? Welcome to the Java EE6 SDK installation. This is a tool for Java. Yeah. Alright. Why does it talk about glassfish? I don't want glassfish. Yeah, what the heck? Clearly, I've been deceived. Oh god. Sure, it's fine. It's fine, Windows. It's fine. Why did it? This doesn't say glassfish anywhere. I'm really kind of ticked off right now. Oracle. All right. Resume the music. Cue the music. YouTube. Hey, yeah. Here we go. Advertising. Okay. Everything's
so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed to get it out what's in my head. And
we're gonna have a moment of silence while Uncle Fizzle tries to decipher what's happening.
Step outside and I take a deep breath and get real high. Sit to the top of my dome. What's going on? And he prays. Oh my God, I pray. I pray to see your face. And I say, hey, I say, what's going on? And I say, just keep it inside. Learn how to hide.
Okay, progress. It's happening right now on the stream. We will resume Minecraft as soon as this thing actually downloads. We got about 3 minutes. 3 minutes of Minecraft is enough Minecraft for me. Buttons. This button. Man, Minecraft really has changed a ton since I modded it. It's kind of ridiculous. Dum 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 dum. I don't know why I put Greg on the world name. It seemed like the natural thing to do. Clearly I was mistaken. Yeah, people can try to get a lot out of you for downloads. I mean, at the end of the day, people need money to live, and if what they're providing you is free, then there's got to be some other way they get it, usually. I mean, I say that as someone who, it is very hard to work on something purely for the passion. Oh, is that so? You can't download it without Glassfish unless you want to tinker around with it. Well, I guess we'll see with the new installation. You may be right. I remember having to install Glassfish at some point in addition to actual JDK, and I didn't want to. The way it phrases it makes it sound like it's just like you are installing Glassfish, this complicated server cluster management stuff, alongside JDK, and like no one needs that. There are 3 people in the corporate America who need that. Who knows? I don't use Glassfish. I'm no idea what I'm talking about. God, yeah, but you know, you can never judge people for wanting to make money for downloads and stuff necessarily. They can do it in a really bad way. But people need money to live, and for Hack Slash Mine, a lot of my incentive very much was, you know, I can put this on my resume, and I did, and I got a job working on EverQuest Next Landmark. So, all good things. Good things come to those who work really hard. And still at the same time, you know, I didn't obviously I didn't make the mod thinking, how am I going to make money? I made it as nothing but a passion project, and taking it as an opportunity to make something great. But later on, you know, with any project, it will get to a point where not every day is going to be the best day of your life. Not everything about what you do will be enjoyable. That's just a fact of life. It's anything to work on, and there has to be an overarching incentive. And for me, that incentive was very much trying to get a job with what I was doing. I didn't want to make money off of it, because trying to make money off of a Minecraft mod, like, come on. Like, no one's going to pay for it, even if you dress it up, I don't think. No one's going to, like... I mean, in all the time that I had donations, I had gotten, like, maybe $500 total, and that mostly came from, like, a couple of individuals who donated $100 themselves. And so whenever you see someone who's like, oh man, modders make so much money, oh, so lazy, like, no, I put in so many thousands of hours, just pure thousands of hours of work, that, like, I could have easily made more money doing something else. Like, I could have made money at all doing anything else. So it was very much a passion project, and it's hard to begrudge people for wanting to make money. That's kind of what I'm doing with, like, Nebulous Racks, trying to release that. You know, that is something I can do independently. It is not bound to Minecraft, and that's great. That means that I have more control over it. I can do whatever I need to in terms of career and resume with that. Right now, just trying to put something out there that's interesting and keep people up to date with me. I don't know where the project's going to go necessarily, but it could go a Dwarf Fortressy route for all I know, where it's just I get to work on it for all of time, and hopefully donations sustain me. It could go another route. Who knows? But again, just going with it, I feel like it's something that I need to make. I'm very passionate about it. So we will see. Ah! How are we, stream? Stream is good. Back to work. Okay. So if you're right, Mr. Dark Creator, we should see glassfish. Oh dear. Sad day. I'm so lost. Come on, baby. Oh, let's close Minecraft. Sorry, Minecraft. No. Come on, Windows. Ugh. I don't need to. Oh. Alright. New plans. It did have the same name as that other file. So. Let me think. Let's just use the old file. Let's just suck it. You gotta bite the bullet. Downloads. So it's in alphabetical order. Let's do it by date, because that's sane. Doing things that are sane is always preferable. So running the old one. One of the ancient ones. Ah! Alright, so we're just going to go with this one. Screw it. So we're going to try and do a minimal install. Next. I guess we're installing Glassfish at the top level. Install update tool. What? No, I don't want to. Alright, we're trying new link. I'm not jacking up my computer. Yes. One more time for good measure. Hold on. No. Let's, it's the exact same size. That has to be the same file. Alright. Dun 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 doo 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 doo. We delve once again into the world of the technical, so we shall balance it out with music.
So I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it out.
Only the highest quality streams will do. Very high quality ones.
And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I sing a deeper and get real high and I sing to the top of my lungs. What's going on?
Assuming you're copying the track. I'm pretty sure it has to be under downloads. Maybe this will guide me somewhere nice.
And he prays. Oh my God, I pray. I pray to sing your name. Forever to shout. And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, what's going on?
Oh, I thought it was a checkbox when I saw this. I thought you like marked them or something. Wow.
Just keep it inside. Learn how to hide your feelings.
Let's stick with just the runtime environment.
What's going on? Yeah. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it out.
We're making a new account. Making a new account.
And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I sing a deeper and get real high.
Oh god, this is the worst.
Get to the top of my lungs. What's going on?
Awful. My middle name is Alexander, guys.
What's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, what's going on? And he tries. Oh my God, I try. I try all the time
Why is it required?
in this institution. And he prays.
Okay, look.
Oh my God, I pray. I pray to sing your name. Forever to shout. And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say,
Oh god. Alright, another password.
and I say,
This is the dumbest thing. rather challenging form. Hey! What's my username?
So I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed to get it out what's in my head.
Oh my god. Oh. It's better not be the same.
And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and get real high and I see to the top of my door.
Alright.
What's going on?
So, see, wasn't that graceful? I just like smoothly panned it out. Let's see. While we wait on stuff to install, I might as well like play guitar or something. I don't know. Do I want to though? That's the question. Or a better question would be, would it even pick up on this microphone that well? Because you know, if I'm like this, microphone's up here. I don't know. How are we doing, stream? How's life? The stream is running. The stream is not crashed. I do see the screen flickering black and non-black. So please let me know if there are video issues, etc. Terminated if you continue broad. Oh God. Your stream will be terminated if you continue broadcasting content that you're not authorized to use. The guy who posted it isn't authorized to use it. Let's learn. We're here to learn. Okay, content ID. That's ridiculous. Alright, well, we don't want the stream to be terminated. That would be quite bad. It's very sad, guys. I feel bad. We've done a major wrong. How are we doing, Java? Oh! Oh! My goodness. Have we done it? Are we there? Oh, man. This is exciting. Now, we have the JRE, but we don't have the JDK. Or, no, that was the JDK, I think. So, here. Project. No, we don't want to go to project. Where is it? There's a window, preferences. Here we go. We want to find must use memory compiler 1.6 1.6 1.6. That's good. That's all JREs. There we go. Add standard VM directory should be under not my desktop. Why is it showing only my desktop? Oh dear. This PC, okay. That was really dumb. Do. Okay, we want program files Java, and we want to go to 64-bit, I presume. Here we go. Life is wonderful again. Okay. Finish. Add. Dude, let's add the other one too. Directory. Man, this sucks. This is the worst organization of a directory structure ever. Why is computer under desktop? Have you no shame? Alright, and 7. Cool. Everything. Go. Oh, man. I do not know of anyone who's acquired all the uniques. That would require a good amount of gameplay. I would like to meet this person, though. I'd definitely like to. Ah! Look at that. The client. It's only giving us warnings now. We are so close to actually compiling and running Minecraft. You guys. This is fantastic. There's some kind of a build issue. Here. Java problems. The project cannot be built until build path errors are resolved. Thank you. Useful. Project server requires missing library. Oh! So it wants the name 1.7.2.jar. I got rid of it. Oh, screw me. Okay. 1.7.2. Hopefully that doesn't... Oops. Okay. Renaming stuff. Refresh. Hey! Holy cow. Oh my god. Alright. Run. Do you guys want to profile Minecraft? We could do that later. We could find out what Minecraft's slowest aspects are. We're running Minecraft from an IDE. Is this not the best? Is this not wonderful? It's like we know everything about Minecraft now. We're pros. 1.7.2, everything looks okay. Create a new world. World of stuff. What is this music? That was weird. Ah, refreshing. Man, we can actually code now. We can, like, add stuff from hack/mine. Like, that's great. Life is wonderful. Of course, the first thing to do is to increase our brightness dramatically and to turn down music to, like, nothing. Done. Back to game. Yay! What is this? This is new. Where am I? This is interesting. Clay that I can't punch immediately. What do you have to say, debug screen? A Mesa Plateau. Well, I approve. This reminds me of some of like the colorations in some of the hack/mine zones. Here, let's make this bigger. Let us all enjoy the bounties that are effectively open sourced Minecraft. I take that back. It is not effectively open source. It is far, far from open. Oh dear. We don't want 3D anaglyph. There we go. No. There we go. Done. Okay. HUD's pretty big, but that's fine. This is entirely new to me. Oh god, I'm just like dying outright. I think the first thing we're gonna do is gonna be to bring back my health and mana system, because the alternative is to not be able to sprint forever, and that sucks. Oh jeez. This headset actually starts to hurt after a while. Okay, so a world full of clay. Clay and clay and clay with no mobs. No trees. I guess we gotta go out of the clay world. This is new opportunity. We have to make names and stuff for all the new biomes. Yeah. All the name combinations before were specifically for like the existing biomes like swamp and not swamp and plains and not plains and mountains. So this is totally new. Let's blow this joint. There really is a lack of interesting things on the screen, I have to say. It's like I can't do anything, and then I can't do anything. We need to bring back rangers so I can just climb this wall. And I can't, like, punch anything. Ugh. What is this? This is nonsense. It really is. Like, they tacked on a whole bunch of mods or something to Minecraft. It's very strange. Oh my goodness. Please let me up. Up the hill. I need to get out of here. I'm gonna starve before I can even leave this biome. It's like all these like striations of clay. Interesting. Yep, we're gonna starve because there's nothing. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Here, we need building tools. So I wouldn't add hunger to hack/mine because I don't know. I haven't ever really enjoyed it, and I think for an action RPG, it doesn't make too much sense because you're more focused on the action. And you're killing so many monsters that saying like only these monsters drop food just seems, I don't know, it's a little odd. It's a little less immersive, I would say. But who knows? I really dislike not being able to run when you're hungry. Like right now, what I'm experiencing is pure inconvenience, and I don't feel like I'm actually at risk because I'm not going to die. It's like almost the worst way to do it. Like you don't feel any experience of risk or like you're going to die, which is the fun part, because you can just linger at like no life. But you can't do anything. You just like walk around and lose health. Like, I don't know. Okay, this sucks. As our first act while modding Minecraft is going to be to speed ourselves up significantly. Let's see. Client. Oh, is it only... I think there's only 2 sides now. Oh my god, I was so worried. I was so freaking worried. Like, I thought I was going to have to duplicate everything over, like, 3 times, right? Because normally by default, you only duplicate for client and server side, and that's kind of doable. But then, like, they had client, server, and open to LAN version. I'm assuming it's still open to LAN in this, but, yeah, it's not the most exciting. I do need to bring back all the things. Every last thing needs to be brought back. One at a time, this will be gloriously resurrected. Very gloriously. Right now, I'm trying to find... Here, let's use open resources. Hunger. Hunger? I'm trying to find the food management stuff. Food stats. Yeah, because that's the best name ever. I need to make a... I wish I could program like a hotkey in Eclipse so I could open the corresponding file in the other project. That would be amazing. Food stats. But this is probably the best way to do it right here. Let's see. Obfid. Obfid? Obfid? I'm guessing this is some kind of obfuscation artifact. I doubt Mojang added it themselves, but who knows? Maybe this could be useful. I do a lot of reflection-y stuff, and I might be able to access this. So right now, food level equals math.min, whatever, add. So on update, what we want to do is never decrease. We're literally just going to do this, and I think this is how I did it in HackMine. Food stats equals 20. Equals 20. Bam. And I... actually... Interesting. We'll see how this goes. This might not be perfect. But at the moment, this should ensure that we're pretty much always maxed out. Alright, so if I run it again. this is the joy of programming right here. Like if you're interested in programming at all, I encourage you to set up Minecraft just like I did and just start messing around with stuff. Like, this is great. Like, I can, well, I'm still low on health, but on food health, but I shouldn't be getting any hungrier. I just have to eat stuff. But the joy is that I can immediately make changes to this. Like you can just change it. It's great. Like, it's such a power trip. So if you're interested in programming at all, or if you're a programmer and you just want to see what modding Minecraft is like, do what I just did. Maybe mod alongside me. You could do that. I could even help you in the comment stream. I could help you. We could be there for each other. Oh my god, can we... Oh no! I lost hunger. Clearly our change did not take effect. So, alright, what seems to be the problem? Did we call add stats somewhere? Let's open call hierarchy. Control Alt H. Control Alt H. Potion. Block cake. We didn't eat any cake. We call it here. Oh man, they didn't even. The names suck. The names suck worse than they used to. It's okay. We can make this work. Hold on. Food stats, client, food stats, server. Do the names suck on the server side? No, they do not. But the names do suck on the client side. No, they don't all suck. Only some of them suck. Okay. We're good. Everything compiled. Decompiled okay. What is calling this? On eaten. Okay, we don't care about that. So... Alright, plan B. What I'm doing is highly professional, and you should imitate me in every way. Bam. And we comment out a wall of code. I need to change the font style here. This is kind of hard to look at for me. It would be better if it were darker for everyone, I think. Now let's close this. Never use that. There we go. Food timer at exhaustion. Here, let's just like hardcore set everything 0. Like, we're just not even gonna mess around. This is what we want. We want maximum food all the time. This dot food level. This dot food level equals 20. Maybe should I explain like programming concepts as I do this? I don't know. Like, some of this might be kind of intuitive. I don't know. We could do a poll. We could do a poll of how many people here are familiar with programming, particularly Java. We'll see. I'll think about it. So we're going to do all this stuff. And we're additionally going to do it all here. Because reasons. And run. Eclipse. Okay. Did we succeed? Did we succeed where no compilation unit succeeded before? We shall find out. Oh yeah. Okay, we can sprint forever now. Awesome. Food is effectively nerfed for all time. So now we can actually explore this place and see what's new in Minecraft. We're taking it pretty slow right now. This is just, you know, I can run now, but eventually it's going to be hardcore, like, just grabbing tons of code from HackMine and throwing it in. see, it's 11 o'clock tonight. I can probably call it around 12 or 1 o'clock, depending on how I'm feeling. And we'll resume tomorrow. And should be going all weekend long. I'm pretty hungry right now. I might need to take a food break. Unfortunately, I can't play music for you. I believe YouTube does have music, so I think you just default use, so I could try that out. Oh, this place is like horrendous. Can I just leave this bio? Can I be rid of this place? I need leap. I need the ability to leap like a warrior. My health should start slowly going up here. You know, it could be true that just like in real life, if you wander out in the wilds without any kind of compass or directionality, you're just going to wander around aimlessly. Should I add the dire wolf in addition to the dire chicken? The dire chicken is awesome. I think in a fight with the dire wolf, the dire chicken would win every fight, hands down, no questions asked. The dire chicken is honestly, it is the essence of all goodness. It is a religious power. The dire chicken is renowned across many nations and nationalities as being the basically Hindu equivalent of a cow. And so I don't think the dire wolf could really stand up to that. I think the dire wolf is kind of a chump, actually. The dire wolf is very cliched. For all time, there have been many dire wolves. Like, isn't that like in Diablo 2, you summon a dire wolf? Isn't that the thing that you summon as a druid? Not that anyone. Oh dear. Oh dear. We're fine. Our knees are together. Our knees are not broken. Much. It'll heal. It's fine. But the dire wolf is like the stereotypical druid thing. Like it's like skeletons to a necromancer, a dire wolf to a druid. What is it? An allium. An allium. A poppy? We have poppies and alliums. Jeez. Is this? This is really in Minecraft. Can I make like... You know what? I shouldn't make another dire animal. I should make a dire plant. Because just look at all this crap. Look at all this. I kind of... Maybe I'm just nostalgic, but I liked having just like the two flower types and just being done with it. I don't know. It had a very nice style to it. To me, this doesn't... I guess if you're building, this can be useful. Like as a crafting item, it's nice to have these different flowers, but for pure experience of running around... Oh. So, yeah, that's the end of this test run. Woo! 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 Yeah. So, I feel like it'd be better to have flowers, it'd be better to have flowers as just like the two kinds from an experience point of view, because it's less like, if you have a million flowers, it looks all really generic and like not special in any way. Let's see. What's like something from Hackmine we can add that's like really small feature wise? The radar. Let's add the radar. That should be easy. So we shall first find the danged file that has all of our source. I'm clearly very bad at this. Dealing with many windows. Let's see. Oh geez. Oh dear. You know what? In a situation like this, I should just sit back and think. I should just think. We want to find the source code. It is on my desktop. You can see I'm a very airheaded programmer. It's okay. I am good at other things. Let's see. Where did I put that? Alright, desktop time. Haha! Let's cut that and put it where it needs to be. Downloads, Minecraft jars. We don't care about downloads right now. We care about .minecraft. We do care about jars. Here we go. And we're just gonna add it here. Let's add it in the outside, actually. And then we're gonna dump it in here too. Mod source, mod source, mod source. Where'd you go? Oh, I gotta copy it. If you can't cut and multi-paste, it would seem, in Windows. God forbid. 7-zip. Open archive. We don't want to do that. There we go. That's pretty sexy. We have our folder. I don't need that duplicated. No, we do not. Let's delete that. And we're going to call this rename HSM imported. Now, I think the correct way to do this is to open the whole folder in Sublime Text 2, which doesn't do crazy stuff like Eclipse, and try to incorporate it into the project if we look at it with that. So, open, oh geez, maybe, let's see, what are we doing? We're adding HSM imported. We're trying to add this to Sublime Text too. Sublime! Sublime is open. File. New folder. This guy. Slash HSM imported. There we go. Hooray! We don't care about that. That was some debug. Oh my god. No. Alright. No. Okay. We're good. So, we're fixing to look at the HackMine code, y'all. This calls for celebration. We could listen to classical music. I'm just throwing it out there. We could listen to Bach. We could listen to Johann Sebastian Bach. Wouldn't that be great? He's one of the greatest musicians of all time. You can't complain. How dare you even think of complaining about that? So this is everything I've changed in hack/mine. In at least this directory. Let's see. We wanted the radar. GUI radar is what we're looking for. GUI, 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 GUI. GUI, GUI, GUI. GUI HM controls. Oh man, this is good stuff. Good stuff. Okay. What does this depend on? Radar code, radar code. We are radaring code. You know, I'm going to go back and look at all of my old OpenGL code and just vomit with rage because I'm learning OpenGL now. And I'm a lot more proficient with OpenGL than I was with this. Like this, I didn't know it. I was just kind of barely figuring it out to do things. And like now, I would consider myself somewhat knowledgeable. Compared to the layman, I'm really knowledgeable. Compared to actual graphics programmers, I'm a novice graphics programmer. Like in terms of being a professional. We are going to take everything in this file. I'm just making sure that we don't depend on other stuff. Chunk provider. .chunk exists. Flight of the Valkyrie it is. Good suggestion. I can't see myself typing. Close enough. So we got to make sure it's not content ID. I don't know if it's going to get content ID'd. That might be bad. I seriously doubt it, but we'll see. I want to keep an eye on the stream to make sure that nothing happens. Yeah! Alright. At a minimum, the Pokemon songs probably aren't content ID'd. I wouldn't think. Okay. Oh, great suggestion. Round of applause for you. This is perfect music. I'm going to be sure to check every 2 or 3 minutes that we're not violating some content ID matching requirements. So, because that's great and fantastic. Oh, we are depending on stuff. Wrap. So the new blocks for \9 actually depend on let's check the content ID. We're good. The new blocks for \9 probably depend on other stuff, and in this file they're referenced. I don't know if I want to comment stuff out because I'll forget to uncomment it. This is tough. This is the problem we run into. Man, I love this. This music is great. They're like the Beatles of the 1800s. I'm certain this file depends on other stuff. If you notice that the colors on my screen are much more beautiful in Sublime Text. Alright. That was me listening to myself. I don't know if the stream is live right now. I'm not looking at YouTube. My computer just crashed horribly. I don't know if this is going out to anyone. Let's open up internet. Internet, tell me what I need to know. I command you. Come hang out. You're live. Whoa! We're live? Are we?
We're no longer an army
Welcome
of
to my
one.
channel.
Transitioning vets have
directed
a
here by
wide
a
range
friend
of
who discovered
resources
me
available
by some
to them.
random happenstance.
Which should you be taking
Shut up.
advantage of?
Everyone shut up. Okay. You guys. Okay. Is the channel like are we live? Like is everything still gone to hell? Did I just restart the stream and everything's good? Come hang out. You're live. We're live. We're live? Are we? Everything is fine.
We're
Oh,
no
hey
longer
there.
an
Welcome
army
to
of
my
one.
channel.
Great. Okay, I need to mute myself because that's gonna echo and echo forever. Wow. Good job, YouTube. It can withstand my computer crashing. That's rather impressive. We were looking in Sublime Text at the existing files. Cool. I'm so happy that it fixed itself. It's like I really never have to cut the stream off. I could cut it off on my end and restart it in YouTube, but just kind of hang. I don't know what it did while it was hanging, though. I'm assuming I can go back and watch the video to see that. Yeah. I'm assuming our content ID status is still good. We're not illegal. We are not conspirators of the state. No, we're fine. We are not enemies of the government. Let us continue to listen to amazing. Well, not yet. Let's chat a little bit before we listen to more music. So I'm glad it fixed itself. Very glad. But we need to get back into we were looking at block and trying to figure out if we could take the block class and just kind of independently move that. I want to move everything that's independent as like everything that is completely independent of other things or as independent as possible needs to be moved first, I would say. Is there an open command for Sublime? No. Hold on. Oh god. Block.java. Okay. So look for block classes that are new. All this stuff would be block stairs, block stairs. No, but those are all pretty standard. Down here is Rigateri. Okay. I see. So the dungeon stuff, there's a lot of dependencies here that we can't just like get rid of necessarily. So we're just gonna, first things first, oh crap. First things first, we're just gonna get the radar. Radar? Hey. I think the best way. Alright. I should probably mark files as migrated as I migrate them, so here. Now to open Eclipse. That would be a fundamental part of the process. We're gonna turn on fly to the stuff now. Yeah. Them's my beats. Them's my beats, dogs. The delay is silently killing me. I love the recursion that happens there. Oh, our project settings didn't set. Interesting. Okay, we can fix this. We can additionally cut down the volume of this. I'm not sure if I can be heard. Here. That's about right. That's about right. That's what you do on streams, right? You say really obnoxious things over and over again, and people think it's hilarious. That's all you do. Okay. Let's see. 1.6, 1.6. That's good. So... Huh. There we go. And this guy is missing his dependency on the other thing. Whoa. Here we go. And once that server jar, which it should... Alright, did our file structure get messed up? Bad glass fish. You go squish now. I love the Simpsons. Okay, we have the Jerry's. You know, my computer crashed in a really spectacular fashion. This music is quite appropriate, I think. Quite spectacular. The perils of Frizzle as he navigates the file system of his own computer while trying to be entertaining. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Okay. This music. Content ID? Are we content ID free? Crap. No, we're not. Real. It was content ID, y'all. That was not content ID free. Man. Alright. Alright, YouTube. You win this one. God, it sucks. Okay. There's got to be some public domain classical music we can use. I could play my own music. That might be, I don't know. I like the classical though. Let's see. I believe somewhere in the world, Video Manager is probably where you find it. Creation tools, audio library. All right, let's delve into the mysterious world of YouTube preset soundtracks. Two-step, this one is called. I said two-step, this one is called. Is it downloading? Alright. Download. Curse this internet browser. We should find the dumbest song and play it. Hey. You know, this is perfect. You're content ID free. Unless somebody content ID matched this. Yeah. Alright, this is appropriate in every way possible. Boom, 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 boom. So we have a build path issue, and you can't find what it's defined under jars. Except it's like literally right here. Alright. We've tried refreshing. To no avail. How do we clean? Clean. Clean. Oh man. Interesting. Minecraft underscore server dot 1.7.2.jar. Maybe we remove it and add it back in the build pack. Oh, got that acapella in there. It's so deliciously generic. What the heck? Let's try reopening Eclipse. These are some damp beats. Rhapsody in Blue would be great, except that is going to run into the same content ID problem unless I find it somehow independently. I'm really worried about it. Like, I really don't know what to play. Genre? I can actually go into genre. Classical. Surely. Well, here it is. Okay, cool. In the Hall of the Mountain King. I feel like I recall this song. Do we have some votes? Here, let's let me keep an eye on you guys. See ya, Primal Bond. Go watch some anime. You go do that. Alright, these are our options, y'all. We've got Ride of the Valkyries, Patch of Belly, Ninth Symphony Finale, Brahms Lullaby, and the Hall of the Mountain King. I totally remember that from something. Sicilian Breeze. It's like a fart or something. Overture from William Tell. So totally, if you have suggestions, I'll take them. For now, I'll continue looking at some codes and trying to get Eclipse to freaking work. I don't know why it's still doing this required. Missing required library. But Rhapsody in Blue isn't necessarily on here. Jeez. In the hall. Can we search? You'd think they'd have a search feature. Apparently not. We shall look. It's one of those songs that they probably have, you know. We got Hungarian Rhapsody. Blue Danube. Blue Danube. It might not be classical, actually. That would be more jazz and blues, perhaps. I don't know where they'd stick it. You Make Me Feel Good. We should listen to this song. Pop, R&B, reggae, rock, R&B, soul. It's got to be like classical, right? Oh, we just clicked this thing. Rhapsody. And what have we? Only Hungarian Rhapsody. I'm sorry, Dark. Alright. We shall go with In the Hall of the Mountain King because it sounds like a dwarf. And again, this is Minecraft. And implicitly the Yogscast, therefore dwarf. Oh, we have to download it. I'm just saying, those two forces of nature, Minecraft and Yogscast, are not separable. Even the Yogscast probably realized this at this point. Just putting it out there. No sound. Oh, it's just like really quiet. This song. Ah. It is overplayed though. It is very much overplayed. I will give you that. I clearly don't know what I'm talking about with classical music. Let's look up Bach maybe. On the Bach. Or Toccata in D minor. Let's give that a try. If we could play Little Fugue, I love that song. Little Fugue is the best. It won't play when I play it. I have to like actually download the whole track. Okay, song, clicky. We have our stream music for all time's sake, forevermore. God, it's like playing ActRaiser on the Super Nintendo. Wow, gotta love it. Kind of hard to have it quiet enough and not completely distracting. Okay, so this is driving me crazy. I don't know what the deal is with this. Java build bath problems. We're gonna use the internet to solve our problems. Let's see. We can look for Tchaikovsky soon. And the word overture, why not? Java build path. Missing. But not? I'm really bad at building. Stack Overflow is the best. Okay, this is not what we want. Alright, so we're gonna try cleaning again, refreshing the whole thing. Why not? That we're listening to now? It is Toccata in D minor by Bach. By Bach. Johann Sebastian Bach. Johann Sebastian Bach. So we cleaned everything. And now we refresh. That is the second part. Phases of fixing this. Okay. We can't do music made by a guy on YouTube. It's content ID, man. Content ID, bro. It'll get matched. At least I assume. I don't know if like YouTube automatically content IDs itself. It could. This is driving me crazy. Like if I run, will the server run? This is the client we're running actually. Yeah, client runs. And the surveyor runs. Does it potentially? Errors exist. Proceed anyways. Allow access. All the access. Yeah, server works beautifully. The IDE does not know what it's talking about. I might try to fix this problem in my own time because this is boring, y'all. So we're gonna go back to coding stuff. Yeah. Source net.minecraft. Whatever. Oh, okay. Look. Back in the day, I was freaking out. My lighting just moved. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Back in the day, I was freaking out because the Minecraft package structure had changed, and I assumed that it was Minecraft Forge that changed it. In actuality, it was none other than Minecraft itself, as I now see. And so I was really ticked off by that. But you know, oh my god, you know what this means? Hold on, do you know what this means? This means that I was having some tremendous issues before trying to get spell script to be compatible with both hack/mine and Minecraft Forge. However, the problem was entirely driven by the difference in package names. Totally driven by package names. What this means is like that's not a problem. I don't have to discontinue spell script for hack/mine. So, yeah, let's put on the celebration music, and that would be the incredibly dramatic Toccata in D minor. Okay. Celebratory music is in order. And is ordered. See, I'm feeling like I can go late. I think 1 o'clock is a good time for us to stop. But in the meantime, I really need to eat something. I'm starving. So, I need to put something entertaining on the screen while I eat. So here's what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? There's so many entertaining things. I know, I'll show you another one of my projects. And leave it running. Oh, this music is great. Like, for real. Classical music is the best. It's the best for a reason. It's classical for a reason. Is my camera being screwy? Hold on. My camera is looking awfully blue. Here's what we're gonna do. Logicam, properties, configure. Yeah, it does this crazy thing with white balance, like it just goes all the way left for no reason. Okay, am I less white? I know I'll never be less white to any of you, but I like to think that I can get my video settings correct. So, yes, I would like to say thank you. Okay, I am now in full color. Frizzle is in Technicolor, y'all. And Spellscript is going to be a successful merge with both Forge and Hack/Mine. Awesome. So while I eat food, how about battling robots? That's a good one I worked on for a while. It's robots that battle according to a genetic algorithm. Ooh. Ah. As soon as I find the main file. This is as good as any file. This music is perfect for genetically evolved battling robots. I'm thrilled. Okay, Constance, this is the file. A Java exception occurred. Unsupported class version error. I believe this is a build path issue. We will solve it. Yeah, updating Java versions recently has really screwed with my build path. Like, ugh. I believe the correct solution here is to just go to Java 8. So, how do we put this on loop, dang it? Play again. Surely. Turn repeat on. Oh yeah. Digging them beats. I assume this is the kind of song that doesn't get old. Yeah. No. No, that's not what we do. No, there's like a really clean way to change JRE versions, and this is not it. Configure workspace settings. Interesting. Let's not enable project specific. Why? Figure the install JREs on execution environments or change the JRE on Java build path. this works. I don't know. I'm gonna press buttons now. It works like a charm. All right. Oh god, yes. Okay. These are genetically evolving battling robots. Is this music loud? Okay, yeah, this is perfect music for genetically evolving battling robots. So, I'll just leave you to watch it, and we're gonna see what happens after I'm done eating. I'll be back in a bit. We're on break.